Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Quentin here and welcome to tutorial number 7. And in this tutorial I am going to show you guys how to set up a subdomain. So we're skipping straight over this email panel over here because emails don't really have anything to do with web development. I might come back and do a tutorial on this as like a bonus video, but yeah, it really isn't related to web development. It's not related to my channel. And I don't want to cover too much about that, but let's go over to subdomains, and I'm going to click on the subdomain link, and this is going to open up a page where I get to set up a subdomain. And like, how simple is this? All I do is I fill in the subdomain I want, and that'll be added to my domain. So whatever I type in here, .josiecorp.com will be the subdomain, and then I'll hit create. So let's type in a new project, I don't know, something like that, and let's hit create, and that is going to create my subdomain. You can see over here as well, the root directory is public HTML/new project. So what that means is it's going to create a directory called new project in my public HTML folder. So if that has confused you, basically that's just a new folder in the public HTML folder. And I know I kind of said that twice now, so let's just go to File Manager, and if I go to public HTML, you can see that now we've got a new project set up here as a directory. And there are two ways we could access this. So I could go to josiecorp.com/new project, and that's going to take me to this directory. But instead of doing that, I could actually use the subdomain that I set up, which is newproject.josiecorp.com, and that goes to the same directory. So that's pretty much what a subdomain does. Is it just sets up a like subdirectory, and then it also directs this domain to that same directory. Anyway, now that that's done, let's take a look at redirects quickly, because if you might want to redirect that subdomain at some point. So you can create a permanent redirect with by just choosing that option, and you could also do the same thing with an htaccess folder if you guys have ever worked with htaccess, and that's exactly what this is going to do. Is just going to add it to the htaccess folder. So we can permanently redirect our subdomain, which is a newproject.josietuts.com, and we can redirect that to something else. So I'm going to redirect this to Google just for fun, and it has to be the full URL. So let's go http://www.google.com. And yeah, you can choose if you want to redirect it with the www or without it, whatever. That's up to you. And let's hit add. And this is now going to redirect my subdomain. So now if I try go back here, it should redirect me to Google. So how simple is that? Redirects and subdomains work so easy. And if you ever want to delete that redirect, you can just go over there and delete it. And the same thing with the subdomain. Scroll down to the bottom and you can go ahead and delete the subdomain if you choose to. So that is how subdomains work, and that is all I have for you in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. Please feel free to leave a comment, like, and share this video. It's really going to help my channel grow. And most importantly of all, don't forget to check out my new website, josietuts.com.